Hello kids, Shubha Mangalam. This is Hemalata at Little Scholar High School taking up class 4 science. Lesson number 3, human body, digestive and excretory system. Children, we are completed with the explanation part. We have learned about the entire digestive system and the excretory system, what are the different organs, what is their function and how they have to be taken care. Now we shall start with the writing part of our textbook. Okay, children, so before going into the writing part, let us just go through the keywords what we have learned in the this in this lesson. So what are the new words what we have learned in this digest lesson are digestion, digestive organs, excretory system, body waste, organs of urinary system. What is digestion? The process where the food material is broken down into smaller pieces for the digestion. Digestive organs, what are they? Right from the mouth, the food pipe, the stomach, the liver, the small intestine, large intestine and the anus. All these are the digestive organs. Now what is excretory system? The system through which the unwanted material or the waste material or we can say the toxic substances are given out from the body. The excretory system is a system through which the poisonous or the toxic substances are given out from the body. Now what are body waste? Body waste are like your urine, the sweat, yes or no children, the carbon dioxide. These are the different waste materials. Organs of the urinary system are the kidneys, the ureters, the urinary bladder and the urethra. So these are the keywords what we have learned in this particular lesson. Now please all of you come to page number that is revision zone, page number 33 children. All of you come to page number 33. Page 33 revision zone. Okay. So all are at this point. Revision zone on page number 33. Let me read the question first and we will write the answer simultaneously. Who am I? I am released in the mouth and I have digestive juices. In the mouth, what is the juice which is secreted? It is saliva. Saliva. Write saliva in the space provided. Second one children. I carry food from the mouth to the stomach. From the mouth the food is coming to the food pipe. Yes, I carry food from the mouth to the stomach. That is from the mouth the food is coming to the food pipe. From the food pipe it is going into the stomach. So who is carrying the food from the mouth to the stomach? It is the food pipe. So write a food pipe children. Write a food pipe. Then nutrients from the food are absorbed by the blood through my walls. It is small intestines. Small intestines. Small intestines are the parts of the digestive system where the food is entirely digested and absorbed onto the blood. So third one, write small intestine. Then fourth one, the undigested food comes to me and I absorb the water from it. So water is absorbed in large intestine. Water is absorbed in large intestine. Okay children, water is absorbed in large intestine. Now let us go to page number 36. Let us go to page number 36. Okay children, now page number 36. On page number 36, we have three exercises to be done. First one is choose the correct answer for each of the following. First one is choose the correct answer. I'll read the question. Option 3 options are given from which we need to select the correct one. Okay. Now, urine is passed from kidneys through. From the kidneys, the pipe-like structures are coming. Yes or no? What are those children? Those are ureter. So those are ureter from the kidneys. Yes, from the kidneys two pipe-like structures are coming now. So these are the ureters. These are the ureters. So first answer is ureter. Then dash helps to push the food down into the food pipe. First we take the food in the mouth. Yes or no? From the food The mouth is entering into the food pipe with the help of tongue. With the help of tongue. So B is tongue. Please put the tick mark in the respective boxes. Please put the tick mark in the respective box. Then third one, dash are bean shaped structures. Yes, kidneys are bean shaped structure. Kidneys are bean shaped structures. Then the excess dash is filtered from the blood by the kidneys. How the urine is forming, children? With the filtration of the blood, which is removing excess salt. So the excess salt, D1 is what? Salt. Please put the tick mark in the box where salt is given. Okay, salt. Then sweet, what is that? Okay, E1. Sweat is released from skin. How the sweat is coming out from the body, children? Through skin. So E1 is skin. E1 is skin. Okay. Now we shall do fill in the blanks. Bit number 2, fill in the blanks, children. Bit number 2, fill in the blanks. Bile, a digestive juice, is produced by liver. Liver produces the bile juice. So first fill in the blank is liver. First fill in the blank is liver. Then B1, the undigested part of the food passes out of the body through anus. Anus, the undigested waste material is coming out through anus. Then third one, dash helps to digest food and flush out waste from our body. It is water, children. Water is the one which flushes out the waste from our body. Water is the one component or the liquid which flushes out the waste from the body. Then fourth one or D1. The dash stores urine till it is released from the body. From the urine is coming out from the body through urethra. Before giving out from the body, which organ is storing the urine? It is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Right? Urinary bladder. Okay, children? Then kidneys filter harmful waste and excess salt from the blood and form urine. The kidneys are filtering the blood, we said, and it is forming what? It is forming the urine. It is forming the urine. So fill in the blanks. Answers are liver, anus, water, urinary bladder and urine. Hope all are writing the textbook, children. Then third bit, give one word for each of the following. We are in third bit now. Same page, third bit. Let me read the question. The system in our body that gets rid of waste. The waste is coming out from the system through excretory system. What is the one word answer? First one, excretory system. The thin tube coming out from the bladder. From the bladder is saying the thin tube coming out from the bladder. This is bladder. This is urethra. It is urethra. Thin tube coming out from the bladder is urethra. Okay. Then an organ that produces bile. The organ that produces bile is liver. The organ that produces bile is liver. Then a sac-like organ that stores urine, the sac-like structure that stores urine is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay, children? All are done with bit 1, 2 and 3. Choose the correct answers, fill in the blanks and give one word answers. So these are the 3 exercises on page number 36. Now please come to page number 37, all of you. Please come to page number 37. Here the diagram is given. Now you can make out that this is the excretory system. So please, the boxes are provided, children, just label them perfectly. You have already in the textbook also. If you are confused, please check the textbook and you complete the labeling part. Okay. Below that, or you have, that is life skills. On page number 37, you have life skills, that is eighth one. Here, what is saying here is stomach diseases affect not only adults but also children. To keep our stomach healthy, we must eat healthy and exercise regularly. Tick the right choice and cross the wrong ones. Eighth one, children, eat a lot of junk food. Should we eat lot of junk food? No. So put a cross mark there. We should not eat lot of junk food. That is not good. So put a cross mark there. Eat too much sweets. That is also not good. Again put a cross mark there. Then ride your bicycle. Yes, correct. You have to ride your bicycle. It is a kind of exercise. Okay. Then walk or exercise every day. Yes, put a tick mark. Walk or exercise every day. Put a tick mark. Drink lots of water. Drink lots of water. Put a tick mark. Eat a balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet. Put a tick mark. Okay, children? Okay. Now, above that, some names are given, children. These are the people who are the professionals in the field of medicine. I'm talking about project, that is seventh one. There are few words. I will just tell you the meaning just for your knowledge. Cardiologist. Cardiologist is a doctor who is specialist in the heart, problems related to heart or the functioning of the heart. Who is a cardiologist? Cardiologist is a doctor who is specialist to the things related to or the functions related to the heart. Pulmonologist. Pulmonologist is a doctor who is specialist in the functioning of the or problems related to lungs. Pulmonologist related to lungs. Urologist. Urologist is the person or the doctor who is perfection or have the knowledge about the organs and the functioning of the organs or the problems related to the organs, related to the kidneys and all. Kidney, urinary bladder and all. So urologist is the person who is specialist in the kidneys and related organs. Dermatologist. Dermatologist is again the doctor who is a specialist in the structure or the functions related to it. How does it function? How it should function? And problems related to skin. Dermatologist is the doctor who is a specialist in skin diseases. Okay. Now come to page number 38, children. Page number 38. Again you have the digestive system diagram here. Again boxes are provided. You need to do the labeling. By this time I think without seeing you can do the labeling. Okay. So this is mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, anus, liver. So these are the boxes provided. Please do the labeling perfectly. Now on the same page, that is page number 38, you have unscramble the organs, the last bit, children. On page number 38, unscramble the organs. The first one is unscramble the organs on page number 38. First one is kidney, second one is liver, third one is pancreas, fourth one is the skin, and fifth one is tongue. I'm repeating the organs again of the unscrambled organs, which are page number 38, that is kidney, liver, pancreas, skin and tongue. So we are done with the lesson. We have learned about the two systems, their importance, their functionings, and we have done the objective part also in the textbook. Now children, on page number 32, children, please refer page number 32. On page number 32, here on the top, find out box is there, wherein he is saying who is a gastroenterologist. Who is a gastroenterologist? Gastroenterologist is a person who have a good knowledge and the problems also related to the digestive system, or we can say about the stomach, intestines and the liver. So he is the gastroenterologist, is a person who has a good knowledge, or we can say he is a doctor who has a good knowledge about the digestive system and the problems related to the stomach, or it can be the liver also, intestines. So he is a specialist in that. Children. Now saliva is secreted in the mouth, and the organs which secrete the saliva are the salivary glands. And what is the meaning of churn? Churn, we have learned this in this word in when we have discussed about the digestion which is taking part in the stomach. Churning is mixing the food properly, or to move the food from one part to the other part in the stomach only. Food cannot be stable in the stomach. It has to, in the stomach only, it has to go from one part to other part of the stomach for the proper digestion. Okay, that is churn. Now we are done with this lesson. Please write the sakshi for the day. We are done with the objectives in textbook. We have done all the objectives in the textbook. Completed objectives in textbook. And homework is you have to write question answers which are given on page number 36 and 37. You have question answers on page number 36 and 37. 36 you have just 4 question answers, and on 37 you have only 2 question answers, children. So please complete the question answers given on page number 36 and 37. In the next class we shall start with a new lesson. Before that, please complete all the writing part in your classwork, and if you are not done with your textbook also, see to that you are done with your completion of the textbook also. Thank you.